Sometimes we feel alone, and it doesn't always feel the same. Sometimes it feels empty, and other times terrifying. And then there's the crushing sense of being overwhelmed, where you start spiraling into a panic. Your thoughts are a runaway freight train. It's too much. I can't do this. What was I thinking? And then you sigh, and you take a deep breath, and that still small voice speaks to you. It's from the heart, the soul. And then you know all that fear, the panic, it's not you, not the real you. You know you're not really alone. Support is near and all around you. You are important. You are on a soul journey, a mission. You close your eyes, take another deep breath, and you resolve to continue one day at a time, letting it all unfold in belief and trust. Trust the process, trust the journey. You tell yourself, those are just feelings. And then you choose to direct your thoughts a little higher to happier, more joyful ones. And you begin to feel better, more powerful, centered, happy, because you can and because you are. Namaste, beautiful ones. Karen Ray.